Welcome friends. In this session, we first describe integration of vector function f of t of a scalar variable t. We will see that vector integration is the reverse process of vector differentiation. We recall that line integral, sometimes called a path integral, is the integral of some function along a curve. One can integrate a scalar valued function along a curve, obtaining for example, the mass of a wire from its density. In this session, we will see the integration of certain type of vector valued functions along smooth curves. We will see that the line integral of a force vector valued function represents the work done by the force in moving the particle along the curve. We conclude the session by defining vector line integral and illustrating through an example. Integral of a vector function. Let f of t be a vector valued function in the scalar variable t. If there exists a vector valued function f of t of the scalar variable t such that f of t equal to d by dt of f of t, then f of t is called indefinite integral of f of t with respect to t, and symbolically we write as follows: integral f of t dt equal to f of t, equation 1. The vector valued function f of t is called the integrand. If c is any arbitrary constant vector independent of t, then we have the following: d by dt of f of t plus c equal to d by dt of f of t plus d by dt of c, which is equal to f of t plus 0, which is equal to f of t. Hence, we have the following: integral f of t dt equal to f of t plus c, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, it is obvious that integral f of t is indefinite to the extent of an additive arbitrary constant vector c. Therefore, f of t is called indefinite integral of f of t. The constant vector c is called the constant of integration. The following result can be obtained easily. If f of t equal to f1 t I plus f2 t j plus f3 t k, then integral f of t dt equal to I integral f1 t dt plus j integral f2 t dt plus k integral f3 t dt. Definite integral. If d by dt of f of t equal to f of t for all t in the interval closed interval a b, then the definite integral between the limits t equal to a and t equal to b can be written as follows: integral a to b f of t dt equal to integral a to b d by dt of f of t dt, which is equal to f of t plus c from a to b, which is equal to f of b minus f of a. Example 1. If f of t equal to t minus t square I plus 2 t cube j minus 3 k, find the indefinite integral f of t dt and the definite integral 1 to 2 f of t dt. Solution: integral f of t dt equal to I into integral t minus t square dt plus j into integral 2 t cube dt plus k integral minus 3 dt, which is equal to I into t square by 2 minus t cube by 2 plus c1 plus j into t raised to 4 by 2 plus c2 plus k into minus 3t plus c3, which is equal to t square by 2 minus t cube by 2 into I plus t raised to 4 by 2 j minus 3 t k plus c1I plus c2 j plus c3 k, which is equal to t square by 2 minus t cube by 2 I plus t raised to 4 by 2 j minus 3 t k plus c, where c is equal to c1I plus c2 j plus c3 k is an arbitrary constant vector. Integral 1 to 2 f of t dt equal to t square by 2 minus t cube by 2 into I plus t raised to 4 by 2 j minus 3 t k from 1 to 2, which is equal to minus 5 by 6 I plus 15 by 2 j minus 3 k. Example 2. The acceleration of a particle at time t is given by vector a is equal to 12 cos 2 t I minus 8 sin 2 t j plus 16 t k. If the velocity vector v and the displacement vector r be 0 at t is equal to 0, find 1 vector v and 2 vector r at time t. Solution: given vector a is equal to 12 cos 2 t I minus 8 sin 2 t j plus 16 t k, on integration vector v is equal to integral vector a dt, which is equal to integral 12 cos 2 t I minus 8 sin 2 t j plus 16 t k dt, which is equal to integral 12 cos 2 t dt I plus integral minus 8 sin 2 t dt j plus integral 16 t dt k, which is equal to 6 sin 2 t I plus 4 cos 2 t j plus 8 t square k plus c1. Putting v is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0, we get 0 is equal to 0 I plus 4 j plus 0 k plus c1, so that c1 is equal to minus 4 j. Hence, vector v is equal to 6 sin 2 t I plus 4 into cos 2 t minus 1 into j plus 8 t square k. 2. Since vector v is equal to d by dt of vector r, we have d by dt of vector r is equal to 6 sin 2t I plus 4 into cos 2t minus 1 into j plus 8 t square k. Integrating, we get vector r is equal to minus 3 cos 2t I plus 2 sin 2t minus 4t j plus 8 by 3 t cube k plus c2. Putting vector r is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0, we get 0 is equal to minus 3i plus 0j plus 0k plus c2. So, that c2 is equal to 3i. Hence, vector r is equal to 3 into 1 minus cos 2t I plus 2 sin 2t minus 4t j plus 8 by 3 t cube k. Line integrals. The concept of a line integral, integral over c f of t dt, is a simple and natural generalization of a definite integral. Integral a to b f of x dx, equation number 3. Known from calculus. In the expression 3, we integrate the integrand f of x from x equal to a along the x axis to x equal to b. In a line integral, we shall integrate a given function called the integrand along a curve c in space or in a plane. Hence, curve integral would be a better term, but line integral is standard. Definition. Any integral which is to be evaluated along a curve is called a line integral. We represent the curve c by a parametric representation of the following form. Vector r of t equal to x of t I plus y of t j plus z of t k, a less than or equal to t less than or equal to b, equation 4. The curve c is called the path of integration. A with the position vector r of a is its initial point and b with the position vector r of b is its terminal point. C is now oriented. The direction from a to b in which t increases is called the positive direction on c. We can indicate the direction by an arrow as in figure 1. The points a and b may be coincide as in figure 2, then c is called a closed path. We call c a smooth curve regular arc if c has a unique tangent at each of its points whose direction varies continuously as we move along c. Mathematically, this is equivalent to saying that c has a representation, equation number 4, such that vector r of t is differentiable and the derivative vector r dash t equal to d by dt of vector r is continuous and different from the 0 vector at every point of c. Line integrals of vector valued function over a smooth curve. Let f of x y z is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k be a vector valued function of x y z defined and continuous along a smooth curve c. Let vector r is equal to vector r of x y z which is equal to xi plus yj plus zk be the position vector of a point p of x y z on the curve. If s denotes the arc length of the curve c from a fixed point on it to the point x y z, then dr by ds equal to t is the unit tangent vector at the point p of x y z. The component of f along the tangent at p is f dot t equal to f dot dr by ds. The integral of f dot dr by ds along c from the fixed point a to the fixed point b written as follows. Integral a to b f dot dr by ds equal to integral a to b f dot dr equal to integral over c f dot dr. This is known as line integral of the vector valued function f along c, or more precisely known as tangent line integral or scalar integral of f along c. Remarks. The line integral from the point a to b is negative of that from the point b to a. That is, integral a to b f dot dr equal to minus integral b to a f dot dr. Let f is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, vector r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then we have the following. Integral a to b f dot dr is equal to integral a to b f1i plus f2j plus f3k dot I dx plus j dy plus k dz, which is equal to integral a to b f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz, which is equal to integral a to b f1 dx plus integral a to b f2 dy plus integral a to b f3 dz. If the curve c is given by parametric equations x equal to x of t, y is equal to y of t, z is equal to z of t, and if t is equal to t1 at a and t is equal to t2 at b, we have the following. Integral a to b f dot dr is equal to integral t1 to t2 f1t dx by dt plus f2t dy by dt plus f3t dz by dt of dt. Example 3. If vector f is equal to 3x square 6 plus 6y I minus 14yz j plus 20x z square k, evaluate integral over c f dot dr where 1. C is a curve from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 with a parametric form x equal to t, y is equal to t square, z equal to t cube. 2. C is the straight line joining 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. Solution. Here f is equal to 3x square plus 6y I minus 14yz j plus 20x z square k. Hence, we have the following. f dot dr is equal to 3x square plus 6y I minus 14y z j plus 20x z square k dot dx I minus dy j plus dz k, which is equal to 3x square plus 6y dx minus 14y z dy plus 20x z square dz. Equation 5. 1. C is in the parametric form x equal to t, y is equal to t square, z equal to t cube. Substituting x equal to t, y is equal to t square, z equal to t cube in 5, we get the following. F dot dr is equal to 3t square plus 6t square dt minus 14t square into t cube d of t square plus 20t into t cube whole square d of t cube, which is equal to 3t square plus 6t square dt minus 14t raised to 5 into 2t dt plus 20t raised to 7 into 3t square dt, which is equal to 9t square minus 28t raised to 6 plus 60t raised to 9 dt. At the point 0, 0, 0 t equal to 0 and at 1, 1, 1 t equal to 1. Moving from the point 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 means t varies from t is equal to 0 to t equal to 1. Therefore, we have the following: integral over c f dot dr equal to integral from t is equal to 0 to 1 9t square dt minus 28t raised to 6 dt plus 60t raised to 9 dt, which is equal to 3t cube minus 4t raised to 7 plus 6t raised to 10 from 0 to 1, which is equal to 5. 2. The straight line joining 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1 is given in the parametric form by x equal to t, y is equal to t, z equal to t and t varies from 0 to 1. Substituting x equal to t, y is equal to t, z equal to t in 5, we obtain the following. F dot dr is equal to 3t square plus 6t dt minus 14t square dt plus 20t cube dt, which is equal to 6t minus 11t square plus 20t cube dt. Hence, we have the following. Integral over c f dot dr is equal to integral from t is equal to 0 to 1 6t minus 11t square plus 20t cube dt, which is equal to 3t square minus 11 by 3 t cube plus 5t raised to 4 from 0 to 1, which is equal to 13 by 3. Example 4. If f is equal to 3x square plus 6y I minus 14y z j plus 20x z square k, evaluate the line integrals over the line segments from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, then to 1, 1, 0 and then to 1, 1, 1. Solution. Here f is equal to 3x square plus 6y I minus 14y z j plus 20x z square k. Hence, we have the following. Therefore, f dot dr is equal to 3x square plus 6y I minus 14y z j plus 20x z square k dot dx I plus dy j plus dz k, which is equal to 3x square plus 6y dx minus 14y z dy plus 20x z square dz. Equation number 6. Along straight line C1 from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, x varies from 0 to 1, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0 implies dy equal to 0, dz equal to 0. Thus, using equation number 6, we obtain the following. F dot dr equal to 3x square plus 6 into 0 dx minus 14y into 0 plus 20x into 0 square into 0, which is equal to 3x square dx. Hence, we obtain the following. Therefore, integral over C1 f dot dr equal to integral x equal to 0 to 1 3x square dx, which is equal to x cube from 0 to 1, which is equal to 1. Along the straight line C2 from 1, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 0, y varies from 0 to 1. X equal to 1, z equal to 0 implies dx equal to 0, dz equal to 0. Thus, using equation number 6, we have f dot dr is equal to 0 and hence integral over C2 f dot dr equal to 0. Along straight line C3 from 1, 1, 0 to 1, 1, 1, z varies from 0 to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 1 implies dx equal to 0, dy is equal to 0. Thus, f dot dr is equal to 20 z square dz and hence integral over C3 f dot dr is equal to integral z equal to 0 to 1 20 z square dz, which is equal to 20 by 3. Circulation. Before defining circulation of a vector field, we recall some definitions. Definition. A curve C given by the parametric equation z equal to z of t is a simple curve if it does not cross itself. That is, C is simple if z of t1 not equal to z of t2 when t1 not equal to t2. Definition. When a curve C is simple except for the fact that z of b equal to z of a, we say that C is a simple closed curve. Now, we define circulation of a vector field. Definition. If C is a simple closed curve, that is a curve which does not intersect itself anywhere, then the line integral of f around C is called the circulation of f about C and is denoted as follows. Integral over C f dot dr. Example 5. Evaluate circulation of f about C where f is equal to x square plus y square I minus 2xyj. The curve C is the rectangle in the xy plane bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to b. Solution. We know that in the xy plane z equal to 0. Vector r is equal to xi plus yj and dr is equal to dxi plus dyj. Therefore, f dot dr is equal to x square plus y square I minus 2xyj dot dxi plus dyj, which is equal to x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. Now, C is the rectangle OABC indicated in the figure. Hence, the required integral is given as follows. Integral over C f dot dr equal to integral OA f dot dr plus integral over AB f dot dr plus integral over BC f dot dr plus integral over CO f dot dr. Along OA, x varies from 0 to a and y is equal to 0 and hence dy equal to 0. Hence, we have the following. Integral over OA f dot dr is equal to integral over OA x square dx, which is equal to integral from 0 to a x square dx, which is equal to a cube by 3. Along AB, y varies from 0 to b and x equal to a implies dy equal to 0. Hence, we have the following. Integral over AB f dot dr is equal to integral over AB minus 2a dy, which is equal to minus 2a integral from 0 to b y dy, which is equal to minus ab square. Along BC, x varies from a to 0 and y is equal to b implies dy equal to 0. Hence, we have the following. Integral over BC f dot dr is equal to integral over BC x square plus y square dx, which is equal to integral from a to 0 x square plus b square dx, which is equal to minus a cube by 3 minus ab square. Along CO, y varies from b to 0 and x equal to 0 implies dx equal to 0. Therefore, f dot dr equal to 0 and integral over CO f dot dr equal to 0. Adding the above, we obtain the following. Integral over C f dot dr equal to a cube by 3 minus ab square minus a cube by 3 minus ab square, which is equal to minus 2ab square. Work done by a force. If vector r of t is the representation of a smooth curve C and a force vector f acts on a particle moving along the curve C, then the line integral from a to b f dot dr represents the work done by the force in moving the particle from a to b along the curve C. Hence, the line integral is also called work integral. Example 6. Find the total work done in moving a particle in a force field given by vector f is equal to 3xy I minus 5zj plus 10xk along the curve x equal to t square plus 1, y is equal to 2t square, z is equal to t cube from t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2. Solution. Work done is given by integral over C f dot dr, where C is the arc of the given curve from t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2. Given f is equal to 3xy I minus 5zj plus 10xk. Therefore, f dot dr is equal to 3xy I minus 5zj plus 10xk dot dxi plus dyj plus dzk, which is equal to 3xy dx minus 5z dy plus 10x dz. C is in the parametric form x equal to t square plus 1, y is equal to 2t square, z is equal to t cube. Substituting x equal to t square plus 1, dx equal to 2t dt etc. in the above equations, we obtain the following. F dot dr is equal to 3 into t square plus 1 into 2t square into 2t dt minus 5 into t cube into 4t dt plus 10 into t square plus 1 into 3t square dt, which is equal to 12 t raised to 5 plus 10 t raised to 4 plus 12 t cube plus 30 t square dt. In the line integral, t varies from t equal to 1 to t is equal to 2. Hence, we have the following. Integral over C f dot dr is equal to integral from 1 to 2 12 t raised to 5 plus 10 t raised to 4 plus 12 t cube plus 30 t square dt, which is equal to 2 t raised to 6 plus 2 t raised to 5 plus 3 t raised to 4 plus 10 t cube from 1 to 2, which is equal to 303 units of work. Example 7. Find the work done in moving a particle once around a circle C in the xy plane. The circle has center at the origin and radius 3 and the force field is given by f is equal to 2x minus y plus zi plus x plus y minus z square j plus 3x minus 2y plus 4zk. Solution. In the xy plane z equal to 0. Therefore, vector r is equal to xi plus yj and dr is equal to dxi plus dyj. Now, from the figure cos theta equal to OR by OP, which is equal to OR by modulus of OP, which is equal to x by modulus of R, which is equal to x by 3. Sin theta is equal to PR by OP, which is equal to PR by modulus of OP, which is equal to y by modulus of R, which is equal to y by 3. Hence, we can choose the parametric equations of the circle C with the center at the origin and radius 3 as x equal to 3 cos theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta, where theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Hence, we have the following: dx by d theta is equal to minus 3 sin theta, therefore, dx is equal to minus 3 sin theta d theta. Similarly, dy is equal to 3 cos theta d theta. Therefore, dr is equal to minus 3 sin theta d theta I plus 3 cos theta d theta j. Hence, we have the following: f dot dr is equal to 2x minus y plus z I plus x plus y minus z square j plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z k dot minus 3 sin theta d theta I plus 3 cos theta d theta j, which is equal to 2 into 3 cos theta minus 3 sin theta into minus 3 sin theta into d theta plus 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta into 3 cos theta into d theta, which is equal to 9 minus 9 sin theta cos theta d theta. Hence, we obtain integral over C f dot dr is equal to integral t is equal to 0 to 2 pi 9 minus 9 sin theta cos theta d theta, which is equal to 18 pi. Vector line integral: if vector r of t is equal to x of t I plus y of t j plus z of t k, a less than or equal to t less than or equal to b is a representation of a smooth curve C, we define the vector line integral of f over the curve C as follows: integral over C f cross dr is equal to integral over C f cross dr by ds into ds, which is equal to integral over C f cross t ds. Example H: if f is equal to xy I minus zj plus x square k and C is the curve x equal to t square, y is equal to 2t, z is equal to t cube from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1, evaluate the vector line integral. Solution: substituting x equal to t square, y is equal to 2t, z is equal to t cube, we get the following: f is equal to xy I minus zj plus x square k, which is equal to 2 t cube I minus t cube j plus t raised to 4 k. dr is equal to dx I plus dy j plus dz k, which is equal to 2t I plus 2j plus 3t square k dt. Therefore, f cross dr equal to determinant I j k 2t cube minus t cube t raised to 4 2t to 3t square dt, which is equal to minus I into 3t raised to 5 plus 2t raised to 4 minus j into 4t raised to 5 plus k into 4t cube plus 2t raised to 4 dt. Hence, the vector line integral is given by integral over C f cross dr is equal to minus I into integral t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1 3t raised to 5 plus 2t raised to 4 dt minus j integral t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1 4t raised to 5 dt plus k integral t is equal to 0 to t equal to 1 4t cube plus 2t raised to 4 dt, which is equal to minus 9 by 10 I minus 2 by 3 j plus 7 by 5 k. Now, it is the time to conclude the section. In this session, we have described the integration of vector function f of t of a scalar variable t. We have seen that the vector integration is the reverse process of vector differentiation. In this session, we have discussed integration of certain type of vector valued functions along smooth curves. We have learned that the line integral of a force represents the work done by the force in moving the particle along the curve. Definition and illustration of vector line integral has been made in this session. Before going to next session, we try to solve the given questions. Question number 1. Show that integral over 2r into dr by dt d is equal to r square plus c, where r is the vector function or in the variable t and c is the scalar. 2. Prove that integral a cross d square by dt square of vector a dt is equal to a cross dA by dt plus c, where a is a vector function in the variable t and c is a constant vector function. Evaluate the line integral over c f dot dr from 0 0 0 to 1 to 4 if f is equal to x square I plus yj minus xz minus y into k. 1. Along the line segment joining these 2 points. 2. Along the curve given parametrically by x equal to t square, y is equal to 2t, z is equal to 4t cube. Find the line integral of the tangential component of f is equal to xi plus x square j from minus 1 0 to 1 0 in the xy plane along the x axis along the semicircle y is equal to 1 minus x square. References: 1. Murray R. Spiegel, Vector Analysis, Schramm Publishing Company, New York. 2. N. Sharan and S. N. Nigam, Introduction to Vector Analysis, Pothishala Private Limited, Allahabad. 3. Erwin Kreisig, Advanced Engineering Mathematics, John Wiley and Sons, 1999. 4. Shanti Narayan, A Textbook of Vector Calculus, S. Chance and Company, New Delhi. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.